Okay, now let's pull it all together. In this next print, we're going to bring together a lot of the things that we have learned previously. We have some mill circle, mill frames, locations and bolt circles as hole blocks, many different tools in the tool list, something that you would see in a real-world situation. Now later on we're going to learn how to program slots using a slot block, but up to this point the only thing we have covered is mill frame with corner radiuses, and that is a quite acceptable way to program slots of the Hurco control. So give this print, Intro 12, a try, and when you're programming the slot using the mill frame with corner radiuses, keep in mind you have to pick or do the calculations necessary to find a corner. You are programming from one of the four corners of the slot, and then you'll have the X length and Y length. Direction will be important, of course, whether it's an X negative or X positive length and so forth. But you'll be using from one corner, creating the mill frame. I recommend that you get the mill frame and location first, and then you can throw your corner radiuses in to complete the feature. Again, there is a separate video labeled Intro 12 that will walk through this step by step if you need the assistance.